Hey guys, Lisa Archilla Sims here, and today I want to show you my favorite organizational product. So this suite of bins from iDesign is hands down my favorite product. It is BPA free, it's really sturdy, it's got good clear plastic, but the best thing about this bin is its measurements. So it comes in a 4, a 6, and an 8-inch wide. It's 5 inches tall, but its superpower is that it is 16 inches long. And the reason that is such a big deal is because it makes it the perfect solution for lower cabinetry. So typical lower cabinetry that you would find like in a kitchen or a bathroom has about 22 inches of clearance underneath. And so what happens in most people's homes is that just becomes this black hole. It's hard to organize, things get messy, things get lost in the back. So anytime you can utilize the whole depth of that cabinet in a meaningful way is a big deal. And this bin is perfectly shaped for that. Basically functions like a pull-out. So if you love pull-outs and you don't really have the dimensions in your cabinetry to support the standard measurements of a mounted pull-out, this is a great solution. So let's talk about some of the applications that you can use this in. So let's start with kitchen. So these guys are great for things that are tall and kind of wobbly. So water bottles and insulated tumblers work really well here. I also use these for things that just don't stack very well. Sometimes I use them for food storage because, you know, those plastic lids and those bottoms are hard to corral sometimes. They're also great just for small items that don't stack or nest very well that you need to keep together, like components of some of your small appliances. They're also great for things that just don't really stand up on their own very well, like packets of things or things like flour and sugar that come in soft-sided containers. You'll notice in this one example of an under cabinet that we've also added in a cupboard shelf so that we could utilize that vertical space and have an extra level, and these bins just fit perfectly into there. These are really terrific in deep drawers. They basically function like a big drawer organizer. So for instance, under the stove or just any other deep drawer in the kitchen where you have small items that you need to keep together because they're small and kind of unwieldy, or maybe they actually belong together in a particular category. These also work beautifully on deep shelves. So for instance, in this loft apartment pantry, they turned out to be a great solution. So let's look at some bathroom examples. So again, you've got your deep lower cabinets under the sink, adjacent to that, works really well. And also in some bathrooms, you have deep upper cabinets, which are basically designed to be linen cabinets, but these work great in there because again, you're utilizing the whole depth of the space, and in a bathroom, you're gonna have lots of small items, toiletries, even your linens can, washcloths and hand towels can be rolled up and put into smaller containers. But it just gives you lots of versatility. Okay, so these bins are from the Container Store. The only other product that I've ever seen that was 16 inches deep, which is the most important part of all this, was at Bed Bath & Beyond. They also have an iDesign line, but they have one particular size of these that's exclusive to them, and it's actually a 10-inch wide, 6 inches tall, and 16 inches deep. And that would be a great bin for larger items. And that's only at Bed Bath & Beyond. So between these three from Container Store and the big one from Bed Bath & Beyond, you should be able to corral everything you need to on those lower cabinets. I cannot say enough about this product. I love it. And if you would like to see more examples of how we've used these bins, please visit my website, bnpeacockorganizing.com, and go to the gallery page. I also post weekly on Instagram and Facebook, so you'll see current organizing projects that would be using these also. And if you're interested in organizing services and you live in the Fort Worth, Texas area, please visit the website and contact me there. And I also do virtual organizing. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like this, please click subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.